Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on battle.net notification on the application. So first of all, launch battle.net application that is installed on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your battle.net account. Let's wait for some time until it's connected. Now on the top left corner, you can see your profile picture icon beside your name. Tap on it. Once you come here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on the option of settings at the bottom. Now once you come on the settings page, you'll see notification settings. Tap on it. Now over here in my case, you can see that the notifications for all these options has been turned off. Simply turn on the toggle. First of all, let's turn on the toggle for friend requests. Similarly for chat messages as well. And for news and offers. You can also get notifications if your friends are online and playing on battle.net. You can tap on favorite friends if you have selected them, or tap on all friends. With that, you will be able to turn on notifications on battle.net. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.